Prepare to immerse yourself in the epitome of luxury and performance, as we delve into the majestic world of the 2022 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Ladies and gentlemen, today, we'll be exploring every sumptuous detail and every pulse of power within this extraordinary automobile. The 2022 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class stands out as the hallmark of automotive luxury, refinement, and technological prowess. This latest incarnation of the Maybach S-Class stretches beyond mere conveyance, enveloping its occupants in an environment cultivated for utmost comfort while simultaneously serving as a beacon of innovation and design. Design and aesthetics. The Maybach's aesthetic begins with the exterior, a bold yet refined presence on the road. Its iconic chrome grille, featuring vertical slats, is instantly recognizable as part of the ultra-premium segment, flanked by sleek digital light LED headlamps. The headlamps are not merely functional, they incorporate projection functions and can display guidelines and warnings directly onto the road. The silhouette of the Maybach S-Class proclaims its grandeur. The vehicle extends over 215 inches in length, with a wheelbase contributing to right around 132 inches, about 7 inches more than the longest version of the regular S-Class. This not only fast-tracks the Maybach into the chauffeur-driven sector of luxury sedans but assures that it is the crème de la crème of rear passenger legroom. Moving to the interior, it can be best described as meticulous craftsmanship meets avant-garde technology. Every piece of trim, every stitch in the Nappa leather upholstery, every tactile experience inside the Maybach is calibrated for luxury. The cabin plays host to exquisite materials like hand-finished wood, aluminum, and leather, creating an atmosphere that's inviting and opulent. Performance and drivetrain. Underneath this artistry sits heart-pounding muscle. The 2022 Maybach S-Class is powered by a 4.0-liter biturbo V8 engine, which outputs a heady 496 horsepower and a muscular 700 Nm of torque. Additionally, thanks to the EQ Boost mild hybrid system, the Maybach gains an extra 20 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque available temporarily, offering smooth and swift power delivery. The V8 partners with a 9G-tronic automatic transmission, which offers a versatility of 9 speeds. This allows for the perfect balance between brisk acceleration and calm, fuel-efficient cruising. Fuel efficiency ratings are improved thanks to cylinder deactivation technology, an innovation that allows the Maybach to run on just 4 cylinders under specific load conditions. Ride and handling. The Maybach's airmatic air suspension with continuous adjustment damping is a matchless system designed to absorb disturbances. This is complemented by an E-active body control setup, fascinatingly capable of leaning into bends and countering body roll. Much like a motorcyclist would on a spirited drive, travelers are further insulated from the outside world by the Maybach's active noise compensation system. The car analyzes road, wind, and tire noise and counters it with sound waves of the opposite phase, essentially creating a quiet bubble inside the vehicle. Technology and connectivity. Mercedes' overhauled second-generation MBUX system takes center stage inside, now even more intelligent and intuitive. Along with its standard features, it offers facial, voice, and gesture recognition, tending to occupants with the ease of communication most are accustomed to with high-end consumer technology. The rear cabin of the 2022 Maybach is the triumph of the vehicle's passenger focus. With executive seats that recline up to 43.5 degrees and come with leg rests, the rear space can easily transform into a relaxed lounge or a mobile workspace, depending on the needs of its owners. The tablet-like MBUX rear seat entertainment system and the available refrigerator with custom champagne glasses denote the levels of luxury afforded to passengers. Optional comfort accessories such as heated and cooled cup holders, a panoramic roof with Magic Sky control, and customizable ambient lighting assure comfort beyond measure. Safety and assistance features. For 2022, Maybach sees the integration of Mercedes' state-of-the-art driver assistance technology. The latest in autonomous driving technology can allow for hands-free driving in certain conditions. Features such as the traffic sign assist, active lane keeping, and evasive steering assist combine to ensure that journeys are not only comfortable but secure as well. Wrap up. Owning a Maybach is not about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing the journey between them in the most luxurious way possible. As Mercedes continues to augment their elite Maybach line, they solidify their standing in a niche where opulence and style go hand in hand with advanced technology and powerful, subtle performance. The 2022 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is emblematic of this, pushing forward the boundaries of what an ultra-luxury sedan can provide, both for those behind the wheel and, perhaps even more pertinently, for those in the backseat being driven to their next important engagement or leisure activity. Whether wafting through urban landscapes in near-silent electric mode or thundering down the Autobahn, cocooned in a suite of luxury and tech, the Maybach S-Class reimagines the luxury automobile as not just a transportation mode but a mobile sanctuary for business magnates, dignitaries, and the discerning elite. Its blend of silence, space, and opulence offered in dynamic, intelligent wrapping, makes it so much more than just another offering. It is, indeed, the zenith of grand touring luxury sedans.